Hello once again, Taylor. This is the video for lesson 111, the applications using division. Now this lesson is actually near and dear to my heart because this is what teachers do on a regular basis a lot of times. That when you have a division problem, there are three ways to write that division problem. You can do it with a remainder, you can do it with a fraction, or you can do it with a decimal. But there are some problems where your answer needs to be rounded either up or down because you need a whole object of something. So let's look at example 1 on page 582. 100 students are to be assigned to 3 classrooms. How many students should be in each classroom so that the numbers are as balanced as possible? This is what I do, Taylor. When I'm trying to figure out classrooms and how many kids I have, I want them to be equal amounts, so this is what I do. I take my 100 students, and what do I divide my 100 students by? You're right, the 3 classrooms, which gives us 33 students with 1 student left over. Well, what am I going to do with that student? I just can't say, you can't come because I can't have an odd class. I just add that student to one class. So there will be 33 students in one class, 33 students in another class, and 34 students in the third class because we don't want to leave that student out. Okay, let's go on to example 2. It says the Manatee movie tickets cost $8. Jim has $30. How many tickets can he buy? So he wants to invite some friends. So what do? Very good. You take your $30 and you divide it by the 8 that each ticket cost. It comes out to 3 3/4 of a ticket. Well, he can't buy 3/4 of a ticket, but he doesn't have enough money to buy 4 tickets. So in reality, we have to round that 3/4 down to the whole 3 tickets that he can buy. He can't buy 3/4 of a ticket. He only has enough money to buy 3 tickets. He can't buy 4 tickets, so our answer is 3 tickets. Okay? Alright, example 3. 15 children need to ride to the fair. Each car can transport 4 children. How many cars are needed to transport 15 children? This is what your teachers do when they do field trips and try to get you guys in cars. Okay, so you take your 15 kids that need to be transported. What do we do with them? You're right, we put them into 4 cars, and so we take the 15 divided by the 4. What answer do you get? Okay, yes, in the fraction you get 3 3/4 cars. Now, you can't have 3/4 of a car, right? You need to have a whole car. So, do we round down to 3 cars or do we round up to 4 cars? If you have 3 cars, do all the kids fit in those 3 cars? No, you've got some kids left over. You got 3 kids that don't have a ride. So you need to get that 4th car. So you have 4 cars, but in that 4th car you only have 3 students and not 4 students. Okay? Makes sense? So that you would have 4 cars for that answer. Okay. Example 4. Dale cut a 10-foot board into 4 equal lengths. How long was each side of the 4 boards? What do? Very good. You divide 10 feet by 4 because you want 4 equal boards. And you get, you get 2 2/4 feet. Now all you really have to do is reduce that. You have to reduce it to 2.5 feet. So each side of that board is 2.5 feet. You don't have to do that. You just put that in a fraction. Okay, let's go ahead onto the last exercise. Kimberly is on the school swim team. At practice, she swims the 50-meter freestyle 3 times. Her times were 37.53 seconds, 36.90 seconds, and 36.63 seconds. What is the mean of her 3 times? So when you're trying to find the mean of an object or numbers, what are you actually trying to find out? Very good. You're just trying to find out the average. So you take those 3 times, you add them up, and since there are 3 times, you divide it by 3. You know how to do that. So her average time, or the mean of her time, is 37.02 seconds. Okay, that's the lesson. That's pretty easy, but it's fun because it'll be something that you will do forever in your life. Not even if you're not a teacher, you're going to have to figure out how to divide things and how to, how many tickets, how much money do I have to buy these tickets for, or how many people can I fit in my car to go to a concert, or different things like that. Okay, Taylor, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. I hope to see you soon. Bye.